We're back. And there we go. I was just starting the timer. To all those that hate the song, relax, it's almost over. To those that you like it, well, great. Let's see. Nope, Tails! No! Why'd you steal my rings, man? I'm gonna break into your house and steal your Tails. Haha, that's why you have a shield. Team Sonic theme. Sonic Heroes again. Do 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 do. I forgot the lyrics of these songs, so I haven't listened to them in quite a while. Do 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 do. We can make it if we all stick together. I remember that part at least. Be alright. We don't need each other. Do 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 do. Well, I'm making better progress than I did a couple weeks ago. Boss battle. I forgot which one it was here, though. Oh yeah, the thing I was trying to show was, like, something about Sasquatch or something. If you saw, like, some footprints around... Oh. Oh. I think this is actually where a spin dash comes in useful. Never mind. I don't need to spin dash anything. He just drops those crazy snowman traps. And it becomes a button masher. Together we will become millions, as hard as it seems. We can make it if we all stay together. Sometimes I question the lyrics, but oh well. Eggman! I can see you're getting faster now. But can you get faster than me? Technically, those snow things on his side can also indicate how much life he has left, I think. Yep. And the original Open Your Heart theme. Yep, I was right. Volcano Alley. I don't know what purpose of destroying those is for, but oh well. Maybe to clear a path? Oh boy. Ah, I just knew it. I knew this would happen. And one of the flickies would get stuck in there. Not much longer. I will let go. Fire shield, that's actually going to help here, believe it or not. For quite a couple of reasons I can just walk through these traps, not get hurt by fire, and free roam. That's where he was. Not much longer. I will let go. We try. Open your heart. Fire shield. Oh, so very useful. Okay, what's the point of that? Nope. There we go. Who knows, there might be some hidden pits or something. Ice shield. I do not want that right now. Ah. Might as well go down and take it. If not anything, it'll save me some rings at least. Five? Okay, good. See how much useful the fire shield is here? Sadness event. I just felt like putting it in there. I lost my puppy! No lyrics here, just pure instrumental. Perfect for those sad videos. Hell, I'll probably find myself using it even. Sonic got through Act 1. And I have about a minute. I said skip it. Okay, if it insists. realized I was in the lava pit. Ah! Fire shield! Ah! I should probably go for that fire shield first. Okay, this is where we make our stop for today. I will see you people later.